Boy, is it hot out. It is hot, hot, hot here in the Philippines. What are you doing? It's hot here in the Philippines. What is the only thing you can do here in the Philippines when it's hot? You know what you do? You do the Nestea plunge. What's up, guys? It is well, it was really bright and sunny out. Right. Now it looks a little overcast out. The day we decide to do a little swim. Today is Friday. There is a holiday today. So of course, no school, right? No school for the kids. So we're up here at Orchid Inn, or Wild Orchid Inn, right? Living the dream because you can. We've been invited up here a few times to come up here and do some swimming, and I figured today would be a perfect day because kids have no school. It's hot, it's warm, and so that's where we're at today. Let me show you here. We're tucked back in the corner. We're underneath one of these awnings here, these little tents, so if it does rain, we're good to go. But let me a little walk around here. Kids are in the pool already. They got here as soon as they got here. It's lit probably within, there's another table back there that's vacant, probably within 10 minutes of being here. The girls decided they were jumping in the pool. Here's your bar area here. They got a pool table here. I've done vlogs through here before. It's really nice. Staff is very friendly. We've eaten here in the past. Actually, pre-pandemic, we came here and ate. It was decent. Food was good. But here's your pool. Now the sun's coming out. It's got a nice breeze right now too. Just started picking up the breeze because it's been hot. Now here's your pool. So your hotel here. Here, up here, down below. Two pools here. Of course, you got all your seating area out here. You can sit. If you want to sunbathe, you can sunbathe. If you don't want to sunbathe, you can grab one of these little tents, but get here early. They do not, you cannot walk in and just swim and pay a, what do they call it, like a cover charge. They don't allow it. You have to stay here or be invited here. We were invited. So that's why we're here. Here's your other pool. There's Pimpster. Pimmy. There's Pimmy. The fish is in the pool. Where's Sam? Oh, here's Sam. Chilling in the sun, right, Sam? Chilling in the sun. But over here, they got a little bar over here. You want to sit there and have a drink. That's all shaded. This here is another pool. This is nice through here. This pool. Little bridge that goes over here. Just gonna walk around and show you here. Just really nice. Here's your rooms up here. All these are your rooms. All that there. You can sit out here, but you got to sit out in the sun. They should have like umbrellas over top of there. That would be nice. But here's your pool. Like I said, we're here. We're hanging out. We're swimming. We're doing what we're gonna do for the day, just to get away, something different. Instead of sitting in the house, get out and enjoy the weather. Sam, what are you doing, Sam?
She's making a TikTok.
She's what?
TikTok.
TikTok. You're TikToking, Sam? You're supposed to be at the pool, not TikToking. Really nice, huh, guys? Really nice. Once again, there's the other one. There's your penthouse hotel up there. There's one Euphoria up there. And me, I'm going in the pool. I'm hot and I'm going in the pool. Wow. This is refreshing. There's the fish. How's it going, fish? Good. She said good. You're not peeing in the pool, are you? No? She said she's not peeing in the pool. She's been in the pool for a while. How about this girl right here? This girl, how you doing back there, Lut?
Cool.
Did you jump in the pool to pee?
No. I goes to the shower.
Good, all right. You went to the shower. Good, because there's no peeing allowed in the pool.
How did you know if there's no pee?
Because, like my mom would say, if you pee in the pool, because we had a pool when we were growing up. We had about a 4-foot pool when we were growing up.
Ah.
And my mom said, if you pee in the pool, it'll turn the water red.
Oh, that's when you were young, because you don't believe what
yeah,
they say.
and we believed it. We actually believed it. If we peed in the pool, it would turn it red. But wow, this water is just so, it's not cold where it takes your breath away. It's not bath water warm. It's just nice.
Where's Samantha?
I don't know where they are. Who knows where Sam is? Probably TikToking. All right, so it drops off.
Huh?
Can you stand here? There was a drop off back there. As I was walking, I seen there's like a white line. I'm like, what's this white line for? And I took a step and it got a little bit deeper. So look, can't even stand in here. This is the deep end. Auto exposure. What the heck is auto exposure? Off. I don't know what that auto exposure was. I don't know how the microphone sounds now. Every time you go underwater with a GoPro, when you come up, it's supposed to be waterproof, right? You're supposed to be able to talk, but it gets distorted. So hopefully it's not distorted. All right, our afternoon delight is here. You guys ready for this afternoon delight? This is an afternoon snack for all of us, okay? A light snack, right? This is our light snack. Check this out. We have, bam, that, like I said, light snack. Club sandwich, right?
Oh.
With French fries. What kind of rice is this?
Fried rice.
Fried rice with a delicious egg on top. Lumpia Shanghai with some beautiful, delicious dipping sauce. This is, what is this? Like? Pancit Canton. Can't have a party without Pancit Canton. Some chicken fingers with French fries and honey mustard. And our drinks. And there's...
I have one more.
There's Hannah, Smiley Hannah.
I have
Smiley
one
Lud.
more.
Smiley Bing and her friend.
Oh,
He's,
that is Zyrel.
Chirel. Zyrel.
Yeah.
Zyrel and Bing. I mean Samantha.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, you have one more thing coming?
Sisig, that's all.
Sisig. Wow. Like I said, just an afternoon snack here in the Philippines. Guys, we can hear it. You know, there's fighter jets down here in Barrio or down here in I'm in Angeles, guys. Up here at Clark, we can hear it. We can hear them flying over, but I can't find them. I know I'm looking into the sun. But that's now the second or third time. I don't know if you guys could hear it. That's the second, third time that I've heard them flying over. We are done eating. Boy, was that a feast, right? Of course, there's leftover. It's about 3 o'clock. I'm sure they'll come back and they'll go eat some. We're over here chilling in the pool. It's emptied out a little bit. Not as many people here now, but boy, we're just having a good time, just enjoying the pool. The girls are having fun. I'm having fun. Lut's having fun.
Yeah, I was supposed to tell her like we only get allowed to stay here for like 3 o'clock, but
Yeah.
she said it's already 4.
Look at it. She's got a little sunburn on her back.
Yeah, look at her. Look at this, huh?
Yeah, I see a little bit of sun on her. Over here, Sam, of course, Sam. Sam and her friend are having a good time. Right, Sam? Right, Sam? Ah, yeah. You got to do this once in a while, right? There are other places we've gone here. Of course, we've gone over to Premier. We swam in Premier. Had a good time swimming in Premier all the time. But break it up, right? Break it up. come up here and just enjoy the day. There's a couple other places we plan to go when the girls get out, but we're just having a good time. It's like a lazy river. We're going to do a lap around the pool. They're out there somewhere. Makes you feel like you're on some big vacation, right? Some big beach resort hotel. The Big Beach Resort Hotel here in Angeles City, because everybody comes to Angeles City to enjoy the beautiful beaches. They painted everything up. I remember when I came in here, like after pandemic, when they first opened up, and all your metal railings were dingy looking. So they've really cleaned it up. They painted it up. Why keep it nice and clean when nobody was coming here? They took off. These girls took off. They're leaving me in the dust. You guys sit back. I'll play some music, and you can enjoy the beautiful water.